the thing that my father hated the most is banks. Bank for him was the sin of all sins. Like money and greed and things for him was horrible. I think I got it from him also. And materialistic stuff he didn't care about, you know. He was very well dressed always, but he didn't, you know, he could live on nothing, and he didn't care really. It wasn't important for him. People were important for him, helping people. I remember for many years, just for an example, after the Holocaust, I remember as a kid in his old newspaper office, he had a program to get together people who lost their family members during the Second World War. So he would publish in his newspaper names and addresses and things. And I was there a few times. He took me with him to his office. I remember one time 2 brothers, older people already who met. It was very, very moving. So he did that a lot. A lot of people he somehow investigated and got them together. It was a big project for him.